Okay, guys, this is a short video on functions, right? So, functions in Python, very simple, just like functions in other language. You have a bunch of code. You call that code by the name, and you get the result. So, look at this small example. We have a function. The function goes with the keyword def. You start with def, then the name of the function, whatever you want to do. I'm going to add two numbers. I'm just printing whatever I received, and then I'm returning the result of addition of these two numbers, right? So simple two-line function or a block of code. And we call this function to get that to happen. So I'm having a variable here, calling the function here, which I have named right here before it, passing in 2 and 3, and then printing the value. So you can see the answer on the right. I'm executing this again. So you're just printing the message. The function is called add function, then the message is printed, then the result is added, x and y, 2 plus 3 is 5, that is returned and comes right here in this variable, and I'm printing the variable. Pretty simple stuff. The only thing is, how do you write a function with the def keyword? Then there is a colon, and then these two lines are the body of the function is indented, and then this is the definition of the function, and this is the calling or the invocation of the function, and then you print the result. So simple thing, very easy in Python. Just have to remember this indentation and the def keyword. So this is a very simple example of a function in Python. So try it out. Um, it's pretty simple, right? So anyway, thanks guys. That was a short video. We'll continue on a series of videos on Python, core Python. All right, let me know if it helps. Like, subscribe if you want to. Thank you guys. Bye bye.